Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 6th of February 2020. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, overall it was a slow day with trading. However, we have hit 4 signals that went into our entry zones, and I'm going to talk about those 4 signals. So first of all, let's get started with New Zealand USD. So I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD from 0.641 and 0.64164 is the target price. And guys, you can see we have a drop on New Zealand USD, and the market is just showing us a very weaker momentum. If we go to the higher time frame on the daily time frame, then you can clearly see that the candle that is appeared till now is clearly bearish, and still we have bearish chances on New Zealand USD. So overall guys, New Zealand USD is in a weaker zone, and if it continues the bearish activity like this, then it can go up to 0.64164. At next we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD that has already reacted as per the signals report. So I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Great Britain Pound USD from 129,694 and 128,914 is the target price. And guys, you can see a clear break from the entry, and the market has already went down. So guys, if it continues the further downward momentum, then it can go up to 128,914. Overall, I am bearish on Great Britain Pound USD. At next, let's talk about the USDCHF, which has still maintained its momentum. I have supplied the bullish signal on USDCHF from 0.97441 and 0.97872 is the target price. Guys, you can clearly see the entry is already broke and market is already making the upward pattern. I'm going to take you towards the daily chart, and if you look at the daily candle till now, then the daily candle says you that I am bullish. So overall, I have a bullish expectation. So if it continues the bullish rally like this, then it can go up to 0.97872. And at last, I'm going to talk about EUR/JPY, which is just onto the way, and I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So I have given the bearish signal in case of EUR/JPY from 1 to 0.767 and 1 to 0.284 is the target price. You can see the levels are already set up on my chart, but guys, it's going to be a slow time. That's why I have closed my trade, but overall it has went beyond the barriers of our entry. So if I go on the daily chart, then still you can see it's making the bearish pattern till now. So overall, I'm bearish on USDCHF, but not too much bearish because overall it's into the bullish trend. But overall, today I was expecting some bearish trend on EUR/JPY. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the low red boundary and it starts gaining the momentum, like for example, look at here, the bullish candles are in formation from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. When any candle closes above the middle dotted line, you can see there is a dotted line in the middle, then you can buy more. Look, the market has moved up. When it goes up, and if you see that the market is getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. Look here, from many hours it took the market to go down. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Overall guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get the expert advisor, if you are willing to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, or if you want journal, Skype, one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.